Or you go onto the site and you're like, I did the mortgage pre-approval calculator on my own, and guess what? I can afford $750,000. And you're like, well.
Did your calculator take into account for your debts? Did your calculator ask you if you're on probation or contract or part-time? Did your calculator ask you if you're in school?
Do you remember that your school education debt actually counts, even though the government gives you 40 years to pay it off?
Oh my gosh.
Right?
Wait,
I don't have
does?
to make that payment. I'm in repayment assistance. Guess what? 3% of the balance.
Well, and that's what I'm saying, right? And that's where it doesn't really make sense. So, like, I get people I've done it myself, and I'm like, holy shit, do you see how much we qualify for? And I'm like, oh, and literally I did this job. I'm like, oh, I forgot about this, and I forgot about this. I forgot about this, right? Or you forget that you just went and spent $2,000 at Tupperman's and, you know, and put it on a payment plan. But it's okay because you're paying $25 a week and it'll be gone in a year and a half. Guys, I do it all the time. But I forget, right? So, like, if I forget that and I have this knowledge,
Yeah. The worst is when somebody's like, hey, I just got an accepted offer on this property. Here's my income docs. 3 days later, you go pull the bureau. Well, what did you get from Tepperman's last week? Well, I bought a fridge and a couch and a TV, and I'm going to furnish my house. Great. You don't approve for that mortgage anymore that we told you about 3 weeks ago.
That whole scenario was Amy's fault. She's like, look, a brand new fridge would look good in this kitchen.
Yeah.
No, Amy says this is beautiful. The house comes with appliances.
Oh, yeah.
Who cares if it's 20 years old? We'll update it later, guys.
There it is.
It's okay.
That's why we like Amy.
Yeah.
That's right. She likes that. All right. So
Humble beginnings, okay? Humble beginnings, guys.
That's right.
It's okay.